So Freud had numerous theories and books based on extensive research, and a great deal of it was surrounding the unconscious mind and the development of personality. So first, his outlook on personality. So in 1923, Freud published The Id and the Ego with a new structural model of the mind divided into the ego, the id, and the superego. The ego and superego developed to exercise control and direct the need for gratification into socially acceptable ways. So personalities formed through conflicts among the id, ego, and superego. This theory is known as the psychoanalytical theory of personality development. It's essential for the id to be controlled to help ensure social demands are met, resulting in conflict between frustrated wishes and the need to fit social norms. The id is responsible for the thoughts regarding what you want to do. The superego looks at more what's right and what's wrong, and the ego is kind of a compromise between the two. So Freud believed personality develops during childhood and is formed during a series of 5 psychosexual stages. This theory is known as the psychosexual theory of development. Dream analysis. So one of Freud's main works was The Interpretation of Dreams, published in 1900s. He analyzed dreams, examining unconscious desires and experiences, and believed all dreams, including nightmares, are the fulfillment of wishes that may be unacceptable to the conscious mind and society. Dream analysis worked by patients describing the part of the dream that they can remember to an analyst, and then the analyst would help patients to access the latent dreams and what they actually mean. So another one is free association, which is a technique where patients would speak freely about whatever comes to mind with the hope that it would help the patients to learn more about unconscious thoughts and feelings that have been repressed. So he felt that it was more effective than hypnosis, and the way he liked to do it was to have patients lie on a couch and just kind of look up at the ceiling to clear their mind.
Okay, so going back to the hypnosis, Freud practiced hypnosis to help patients remember repressed traumatic experiences, but could not put patients into trance effectively. And so he then decided that because sleep is an alternated state of consciousness like hypnosis, and dreams occur during sleep, one could access thoughts and feelings of the unconsciousness mind through dreams. During his time experimenting with hypnosis, Freud collaborated with Joseph Breuer, and they attempted to treat hysteria by the recall of painful experiences under hypnosis. Another thing he looked at was primitive culture, which is looking at the way culture works. So Freud had done something where he looked at a group of people and looked at their culture in Australia. He looked at a way, so this group, he studied it and looked how they would keep people of the opposite sexes apart, from keeping them from having sex with each other. And he looked at how this one culture's religion affected it and how they tried to do it. And then another one was that he looked at their how the people would react to it and how they would try to control it. And then he wrote, and then another topic would be his base, more on the religion type of idea for something. And so he wrote a book called Moses and Monotheism, and it is a book he wrote that was based on the relationship between Jewish and Christians. And this helped Freud by looking at all the aspects of the two religions to help him generalize his own theory on monotheism, which also is able to put some light on on Christianity and Judaism.